This is my video on digital citizenship by Gina Leffelman. My school district has a strict policy that prevents bullying, intimidation, and harassment. Then this includes cyberbullying as well. The policy is broken into three categories, including 1, harassment of students, 2, student discipline, and 3, restrictions on publications and written or electronic material. For the harassment of students policy, this prohibits any person or student from harassing or intimidating another student based on their gender, skin color, race, religion, creed, ancestry, disability, or their sexual orientation. The student discipline policy prohibits aggressive behaviors and psychological harm to other students, which may include any use of violence, force, coercion, threats, intimidation, fear, harassment, including sexual harassment, bullying, and hazing. The policy regarding the restrictions on publications and written or electronic material includes any material from the internet, any written or electronic material that may come from blogs or any social media platform, and any social media that can cause a substantial disruption to regular school operations. Now, I am a pre-K teacher, and some people might think that my pre-K students are safe from cyberbullying. Unfortunately, with the Momo challenge and other things that exist out there, this is not the case. For those of you unfamiliar, the Momo challenge was popular earlier this year. That popped up in children's YouTube videos with instructions on killing themselves and doing very harmful things to themselves and to other people. So I am very happy that my district has these policies in place to help keep our students safe.